Hello and welcome to another day of Q&A with Dr. Karishma. Today we're going to be talking about 4 eye care tips for you if you were to get conjunctivitis. Tip number 1 is based on the way it spreads. So conjunctivitis, very much like our COVID virus, spreads by touch. As opposed to the myth that a lot of people think that if they have conjunctivitis and they look at somebody else, it might spread. It does not spread in that way. It's because you constantly touch your eyes and then touch other things in the house which people around you or people living with you may touch. And then if they touch their eyes, that's how they are going to contract the infection as well. So the take-home message for point number 1 would be very similar to like your COVID. You have to keep washing your hands. So if you're having a conjunctivitis, tip number 1, hand hygiene. Keep washing your hands as much and as frequently as possible so that you make sure that your germs are not passed on to any of the surfaces that you are touching. Tip number 2 is do not self-medicate. Like I have discussed in one of my previous videos, it's very important that you go and show yourself to an eye specialist if you have a conjunctivitis. 1 is because we want to rule out whether it's an allergy or an infection. 2 is because if you self-medicate, a lot of these drops can cause unwanted side effects. And 3 is because you wouldn't know the correct dose and you may not know how and when to stop the medication, because of which there may be a relapse of the infection once you stop your drops on your own. Tip number 3 is clean your eyes. Now, because you have conjunctivitis, in general there'll be a lot of discharge which is stuck outside the eye, especially on the eyelashes and in between them. In addition to that, if you are putting your medications properly, the medicine itself may crust on the sides, causing a lot of accumulated material in between your eyelashes. It's very important to clean that. So what you can do is take some warm clean water in a bowl, dip some clean cotton into it, keep it on your eyes for a few seconds so that the crusts become soft, after which you can remove it and clean it so that the eye remains clean and hygienic. Do not use a handkerchief. That is tip number 4. Do not use a handkerchief to dab on or to clean your eyes, because that infection, however it is, whether it's a virus or it's a bacteria, is going to create a kind of a house inside that handkerchief, and each time your handkerchief goes into your pocket and then out and then onto your eyes, it's transferring the infection from your eyes onto the handkerchief and then onto the germs wherever they are, in your t-shirt pocket or in your pant pocket. So it's most advisable to either use some disposable tissue, or you can just make cotton balls at home, dip them into boiling water, keep them aside for your use during the day, keep removing cotton from that to wipe your eyes as and when required. If not that, you can buy ready-made sterile cotton packets from the medical store, or you could even buy sterile gauze packets from the medical stores so that you can wipe your eyes as and when required. Last but not the least, it's very important for all of you to know that conjunctivitis has been reported as one of the lesser frequent manifestations of the current ongoing COVID virus as well. So in case you in this lockdown are developing red eyes which you think may be conjunctivitis, don't stop yourselves from reaching out to us. We are available for teleconsultations and we can advise you on what you should do next. Stay home and stay safe.